In this video, you're going to learn how to create a professional PDF in 5 minutes with AI. This is going to be a free tool demo. I created this free PDF, as you can see right here, 102 pages. It's a local business AI marketing blueprint. It's got a table of contents. You can see how professional this is. A very in-depth book. 16 chapters. It's got links to my, obviously the branding's in there, links to my site. And this is the book. I'm going through it right now. And you can see there's links in there. Very professional, well put together. And I did this in literally minutes using AI. And you can see I'm going to go scroll down here a little bit farther, and then we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how I did this. And it's even numbered. The pages are numbered. You can see there's 102 pages up here. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but you can see it's well structured, well written. It's professional. You can sit here and actually read it. It's got prompts in it. It's very well done. And this was all created using ChatGPT for the prompt and DeepAgent, which is right here, for actually creating the PDF, aka eBook. And if you want to check out DeepAgent for yourself, create your own PDF. The link's going to be directly below. Feel free to use it. And also, before I forget, I'm giving away 20 free AI tools. You're going to want to get your hands on these. Story-based email generator. I got a YouTube thumbnail prompt generator, a Google VO3 prompt generator, a video script generator, a ChatGPT prompt generator, sales script generator, affiliate program finder. You name it, I got it. There's over 20 tools, all free. Link's going to be directly below. Make sure you pick those up. We're going to go back here to DeepAgent. And what I did first here is you got to create a prompt. You got to go over to ChatGPT. And that is going to be right here. And this is the prompt that I created that PDF I just showed you with. Master prompt for DeepAgent. Project local business AI marketing blueprint PDF. Goal, create a professional in-depth PDF guide that teaches local businesses how to use AI for leads, bookings, and sales. And then it goes with the outline, branding, and layout. It says colors, the font headings to make sure the text is big enough for people to read. Footer, my branding's in it. The links, all your URLs should be clickable. Cover photo, and then there's a title for right there. Local business AI marketing blueprint. It's pretty basic what I did, but that's why I want to look professional without a bunch of goofy, AI looking pictures in it. And then you got cover image prompt. I took that out actually, but you can put that in there if you want a cover image. Goals, and then you can see all the different chapters that are in the that I want in the PDF. And I got links to what you're seeing right there, my AI toolkit. Some affiliate links I put in there that are helpful to the reader. My name, the author, and all that basic stuff. So what you're going to basically do is just talk to ChatGPT and just say, if you have an idea of what kind of PDF you want, or you can research ideas for PDFs that are in demand. But just say, I want a PDF, and once you figure out what you want to write about, I need an outline for the PDF. Make sure it's in depth. It's going to create an outline for you. Make sure the fonts are readable. Like, ask ChatGPT, have a conversation with it. Say, add to this to the prompt. What should I do for the fonts? What should I do for the chapters? What do I do to humanize the content? This is a big one because you want to make your content sound human, not like a robot wrote it. So what I do is I take my super prompt. This is available on ChatGPT. This is it right here. I can go in here and copy. Actually, I'll do it right now. I don't care. It's fine. Edit GPT. And I can take my instructions for this prompt. Come back over here. And we're going to go to the last one we're on. And then what I can do is, I hit the wrong button here. Hang on one second. There we go. We're going to wait for this to pull up here for a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this prompt into ChatGPT here. And it's going to tell you how to humanize humanize my prompt. We'll just say humanize my PDF, because we're doing a PDF, with these instructions. Paste them in. Now it's taking that prompt that I just made for local business AI marketing, my blueprint. And you see what it's putting in here. Branding and layout. It's got the colors, the fonts, the page size, the footer, the links. Make sure everything's correct the way you want it. And just kind of go through it and make sure everything looks good. Use this outline and evenly distribute word count. Why AI matters for local business. This is a structure and content, very important. And then it's got make sure it's got your links, whatever you're promoting, whatever you want to talk about, website, affiliate link, whatever it may be. Make sure their links are in there. Style, it's got everything, affiliate call outs. Writing style rules. So it took that prompt and it's got write like Gary Halbert, slightly humorous, creative, persuasive. He's a master copywriter, one of the best in the world if you don't know who he is. Use plain English, 5th grade reading level, simple words. Mix short and long sentences for rhythm. Subtly include personal anecdotes and everyday stories in each section. Use idioms, metaphors. Break the fourth wall. Sprinkle light humor. Avoid fluff. Never use dashes. Dear reader. Beloved reader. Craft or common AI buzzwords. Replace robotic words with human alternatives. So it's going to humanize the way the PDF or the ebook's going to sound when DeepAgent, which we're going to use this to create it. And another big one, it says don't use dashes. You could put don't use M dashes because that's a big one that spots AI. So you can add that to it. But make sure you got humanized writing rules put in there. Facts and data, it's got formatting and features. And then we're done. So what you do is just take the prompt. When you got your structure, you got everything together. And you're going to take this. And you're going to paste it right into DeepAgent. Once it's all done, make sure you're on DeepAgent. I believe I'm already on it. Yeah, I'm already on it, so we're good. And what DeepAgent does, it's an AI agent. This company's based in San Francisco, California, Silicon Valley in the United States. Similar to Manus, if you ever heard of them, but they're the US. It's a US alternative that's similar, but not. Obviously, they're different companies. I like them better. Just because they're based out of my home country. So you got featured, you got apps, short videos, AI apps, MCP, and AI workflows. So you can basically create AI apps. You can create landing pages. You can create anything using this tool. And it's got different things it's done. That it gives you build games. You name it, it'll build it. So what you do is you paste a prompt in here. Hit go. It's going to think. Now it's going to ask me some questions in a second here. And right here, before I create this comprehensive, I need to clarify, do you need this completed today or do you have a specific deadline? Content depth, it asks. Now what you're going to do is copy this. So you're not wasting all day. You're going to go right back over to ChatGPT. Answer these for me. Answer these questions for me from DeepAgent. So you got one AI communicating with another AI. Best way to handle it. So you're going to get your answers fast and just double check them. Here's how to answer DeepAgent's questions. And you said, and just make sure you go through them and they're the way you want them. And then you're going to copy and paste these again. Go back. And we're going to go back over to DeepAgent. We're going to paste the answers right here. Hit enter, and we're off to the races. I'm just going to show you the beginning of this, how it creates it, because you've already seen the finished product. I don't want you to sit here for, next 10, 15 minutes while it creates the ebook or the PDF. That's boring. So I'm just going to show you what DeepAgent's doing when it's creating kind of your PDF, how it's thinking and everything. And then I'll go back to the PDF again. I'm going to show you a few things on here as well, depending on how long this takes. So hang on one second. We're going to let DeepAgent think here. It's going to take a second. What I'm going to do right now is I don't want to sit here and wait. We're going to go back over, but it's planning out, and it's going to create your PDF. See, this is weighing the possibilities. And what it's going to do, I'm going to stop it here. We're going to go back here. I'm going to show you what it does. This is all done. And this is the PDF I showed you a little while ago. As you can see, this is what it does. It'll start thinking, and then it'll pop over into this box, and it'll tell you doing this, it's doing that, it's searching the internet, it's pulling up data to put together your PDF exactly how you want it. There's our prompt there. Okay, I can show you exactly what it does. Generating image, running, and then it tells you all the different things it's doing here, and it'll show you on the screen here what you got. 10,855 words. This one was 78 pages, but I made it larger. I did some updates to the original one. It gives you your files. There's your blueprint. Tells you how many credits you used. There's your PDF. All you do is download it. Blueprint summary PDF. You can view all the files in the task. You can even enter a competition they have if you build something cool. If you want to do that. And you're going to go through all these. As you can see, I told it to update it. And it downloaded an image. I didn't like the image, so I had him fix it. I had the AI DeepAgent fix the image, and it came out after a couple tries. Minor fixes. It was pretty much perfect. And there's your final PDF. It gives you all the assets, and you're good to go. So then you just go over, you download the PDF. And let me see here. Yeah, it'd be right here. And it downloads right here. This is the one. The final one. Table of contents, see on the side how professional this is. And like I told you, we went through this at the beginning of the video. I'm not going to go through it again. But a very nice book. I'm giving this away for free. Local Business AI Marketing Blueprint. It's got a title, not real fancy. I could put a graphic there if I wanted to. Make it stand out a little more. But it's not a big deal to me. It looks very professional, very nice. I'm happy with the way it turned out. And this is actually a good read. It did a really good job generating the content, generating the chapters, and now it's live on the internet. So that's how you create a PDF using a combination of ChatGPT for the prompt and DeepAgent to actually create the PDF itself. Now, DeepAgent, we're going to go back here. It's got different models. We're going to go back to Chat LLM right here. It's got different large language models, AI models, GPT-5. And you can see all the different ones on here, Grok 4, all the newest ones, DeepSeek, Perplexity Pro. I've even created some funnel bots for my website, custom bots you can do. Like I said, you could do apps, you could do landing pages, you can do tools. Whatever you put your mind to, you can basically do with this. It's really very useful product. I think it costs like $10 to get like 15,000 credits, I want to say. 10 or 15,000 credits. And there's a $20 plan that gives you, I believe, 25,000 credits. And they last a while. You get a lot of use out of them. So it's a good investment. So if you want to check it out, want to play around with this, you want to create your own PDF, this is definitely the tool to do it. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of energy, and it does a really good job, as you can see from that PDF I created using a combination of ChatGPT and DeepAgent. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, shoot me a question in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.